Construction of an angle bisector. Let us take this angle, name it A, B, and C. We'll take certain radius up to this B to this point and draw one arc like this. And then from taking these 2 points as a center and with suitable more than half of this, we'll draw an arc from this point and from this point. They are intersecting at this point. Let us name it, say, D. Join BD, and this BD will be an angle bisector. Now perpendicular bisector. Now perpendicular bisector of an of a line segment. Line segment. So let us consider this as a line segment. Name it AB. Taking radius more than half of AB, if, and we draw a circle on both sides of this line, up and down. Taking this center, we will draw one arc here and another arc here. Similarly, from here, we will draw, taking this B as a center, draw. They are intersecting, so as to intersect at some point with the previous arcs. And name this point as C and D. Join this, and this will be our angle perpendicular bisector of this line. So this angle will be 90 degree, and this part, name it as, say, E. So AE is equal to EB. It will be like this. Suppose we have to draw an angle of 60 degree. Construct an angle of 60 degree. For this, what we will do, we will draw a line segment here, name it A, B, and then take some certain radius which is less than or half of this AB, not very less, but not less than 1/3 of this AB. Less than half and 1/3, somewhere here. So this much we will open and draw an arc here. Taking this point as a center with the same radius, without changing the radius, we will draw another arc so as to cut the previous arc. और फिर इसको हम इन दोनों पॉइंट को यहाँ से ज्वाइन कर देंगे. इस पॉइंट को, ये पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन डी है, ये सी है, तो सी डी को ज्वाइन कर दें. ये एंगल कितना आ जाएगा, 60 डिग्री. फॉर ट्राइंग construct an angle of 90 degree. I will construct with the help of ruler and compass only. For this, we will draw a line segment AB. We have to draw an angle of 90 degree on point A. So taking some suitable radius, maybe half or the similar cases more than one third and less than half somewhere here. So we'll draw a semicircle, a nearly semicircle, because we have to, and with the same radius we'll draw one arc here, mark this point, and then again with the same radius draw another point, mark the point of intersection, say this is C, this is D, and this is E. If this was actually earlier we have seen it is 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. So here 60 degree. 90 will be in between this thing. Now more than half of this ED distance, ED will take a radius and draw an arc with taking center D. Another arc with the same radius so as to cut the previous one through point as a center D will intersect. Then we'll join this point and this will be your perpendicular. This is, I'm telling the theory part. Then we'll draw these angle with the help of, if we'll join this point E with A, this angle will be 120 degree. This is 120 degree and this is 90 degree. Here we have already written it is 60 degree. And suppose we want to draw now angle of 75 degree with the same here. This is 90, 60 degree, this is 90. So 75 is in between 60 and 90. Now mark this point is F, and taking F as a center and radius is more than half of D, FD. We'll draw an arc this side, and then taking D as a center with the same radius we'll draw an arc so as to cut the previous arc. Mark this point and join this point with A. So this will be 75 degree. This was 60 degree and this was 90 degree, or it is 120 degree. This angle means angle from this A, B. From this point let us EF G, mark it G. G A B will be 75 degree, and here this D A C is 60 degree, E A C is 120 degree, F A B is 90 degree. So this, suppose we want 30 degree. For 30 degree from here to this, on this arc, it is half of the 30 is half of the 60 degree and 0 degree. So what we will do, we will take D as a center and radius more than half of CD and draw an arc here. With the same radius, draw another arc here. From this point of intersection, we will join this, and this will be your 30 degree mark. Now suppose you want 15 degree, then how you will draw 15 degree? 15 degree is in between 30 and 0, exact between. To bisect this, by bisecting, we know how to bisect now. You have learned from this point, or from this point only we can because we can name it here. G H. So this is H. So in between we can draw this HC, half of it, taking H as a center and more radius more than half of HC. This arc HC or distance HC. You can take segment HC. Now we will draw an arc here, taking this, and another time taking the center C, and with the same radius we will cut here, and then join this with a straight line. It will be 15 degree. So suppose you want 45 degree. So it is in between 90 and 0. So we will draw the bisector of 90 degree. So taking this arm and this arm. This is there. So from here we can draw the this. Next time I will show you with the help of um, the scale and compass, one by one, because it is looking all cumbersome. Uh, all things are overlapping. So I will explain you. आपको समझ में आया होगा. I hope you learn it, and we'll try to construct in next video. जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि.